Hey everybody, so to finish up our self-portraits for step number 2, we need to do a Sharpie outline. I will be demonstrating watercolor painting this. You do have some watercolors in your art kits, so you should be able to do this. Keep in mind it's going to be better if this is done on a thicker piece of paper so that the watercolor doesn't rip through any thin pieces of paper. So just do the best you can. If you used a really thin piece of paper or you don't have your art kit, you can use other materials. So no big deal. We will do the best we can. If you are going to watercolor, you should use a Sharpie or permanent marker to outline. I recommend using both a thick and a thin. I understand some of you might not have access to that, but you could always double up your lines a couple times to make the line thicker if you have a thin one to work with. Any permanent marker will be best for watercolor so that it doesn't bleed once you start to paint. So anyways, I'm Sharpie outlining my self-portrait here. You guys already know that in order to show depth, you can use a thick Sharpie to push things forward and then a thin Sharpie to send things towards the back. So you can see that I've used a thin Sharpie for my hair, thin Sharpie for my eyes, because those things are further back. My nose sticks out from my face, so do my lips, so I used a thick Sharpie to outline those as well. So just do your Sharpie outline, and then you want to do a nice big erase to get all of your pencil lines away. At this point you can erase those proportion lines. We don't need those anymore. And then you're going to end up something like this. And what you can do is you can upload this finished piece for step number 2 for this project. Next step, like I said, we'll be working on watercolor painting. I will give you some options if you don't have access to watercolors at home to use realistic colors for your self-portrait. So I can't wait to see what you guys have done, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks. Bye guys. See you later.